How do you apply for advanced parole? Or why are we doing a video celebrating an advanced parole? Isn't that the most basic, fundamental thing? To most people, it doesn't matter that much. But for DACA holders, it means the world. If they can get an advanced parole approved, they can leave the country and come back, then they have the ability to adjust status and get green card should they qualify for all the other requirements. But one of the biggest limitations for DACA holders is they can work, they can live in the US legally, they won't be deported, but there's this barrier that they were never formally inspected and therefore they cannot adjust status to get a green card, even if they're married to a US citizen. So even though advanced parole is not that big of a deal for most people, every 45 application, usually you can file I-131 advanced parole and usually you get it, right? Very, very rarely do you not get advanced parole approved. But in this situation, it is night and day. And our client, we were able to get them the advanced parole. We're able to help them leave and come back in. And now they're able to adjust status. So I have everything here. So I'm going to walk you through everything we did. Let's go. Hi everyone, my name is Joseph. I'm the managing partner here at Tsang and Associates, where we solve legal problems with creative solutions. So this is the advanced parole. And this is the brief that we've prepared and filed. We keep it short, only 2 pages. Most advanced parole, most work permits don't even require a brief. You put it as part of your 45 application, but that's not how we want to do it. It's stated pretty clearly on the instructions, and you can see it online for yourself. They want to know the reason why you are leaving. And so I'm going to walk you through our client and the reason why we used it that was successful. This office represents our client in her application for advanced parole document to travel outside the United States to visit her uncle, who currently reside at this location. Her uncle was diagnosed with this particular situation and is in now agonizing pain due to the blank, blank, blank. First paragraph, this is the reason why, right? We use the medical reason. We have used all these other reasons, which we'll probably do separate videos, but in this particular case, it was a medical reason for her uncle. Then we explained our client's background, how our client was able to be here, have DACA, and why she needs to leave and see her uncle. And then we talked about all the medical records. We talked about how they're connected to each other. We provided the birth certificates. It's beyond a reasonable doubt that they are related and this situation exists. We advise the client, well, what is your reason? What are the best reasons? And we don't want to give like 10 reasons. We select like 1 or 2 of the best reasons and we substantially prove it, providing everything, and then we request expedited approval. Now, this is approved by USCIS. Does that mean she's guaranteed entry? No. She could be blocked at CBP. She could be blocked when she's entering the US if she didn't do what she said she was going to do. Then she actually has a fraud and misrepresentation on her file. Is that going to happen? What are the chances? It could happen. So you want to speak the truth. You want to prepare the truth, and that way you have much more confidence. Just do your case well, explain it clearly, presented the documents, and then we were able to handhold the client from beginning all the way to now, and now we're filing the green card. So happy to share this story with you. Again, it's nothing fancy. You know, we do a lot of crazy cases. Advanced parole might be one of the easiest things, but just because it's easy doesn't mean it's not important. It means you want to do it even all the better. You want to do your best even on the simple cases because it's important to her. If you have any questions about advanced parole, about reentry permit, feel free to reach out. Take care. Bye-bye.